tayo. Am I just seeing what I want to see? Or is it true? Could you really be someone to have and hold?
Mami,
With all the heart and soul. Hotdog talaga yung mic ko. I need to know before I fall in love. Hindi ko alam.
09. 09.
Someone to stay around with all my ups and downs. Please tell me now before I fall in love. Thank you for the hot dog.
Danica, what can you say?
It's great!
Oh,
Nakamali
Jeffrey.
tayo.
What's that?
What can
Video
you...
okay.
Hold on.